You want cool. As long as you love, Likkle Wizzies cool. You look bad, don't. Look how she a tap up in my face. With her pretty Converse. And all me have on a wear are two dirty Chinese flip-flop slippers. You see how she a drag me? Tell me if no do the pony ground. How the hell you get to this? See what happened here?
Talk. In the penny black. Affirmative. Circling around. Are you me come for?
I like how that sound. Oh, you look so vexed. Me teeth for bulla.
You chat too much.
I mean teeth for Christmas.
That not go work.
Oh, I hear WhatsApp status me take away.
We are more smooth, you come like you and Jesus are brethren.
Boy, not real. Then I just saw some mackerel. Jesus, someone knows say you and me a party, you know. Both are gonna run. When me done with you, your face go bend up like wire. When me done with you, you go ball and holler for your mother. When me done with you, you go ugly like a tree shower.
Really, that's the boy. Awa, you never heard about two same blows.
Target neutralized.
Alright, so now catch up here now. Back to the story. By the way, only check if you still want to do. You smell that?
Oh, you finally wake up now. Both of you run the block. More make you know say me run the cement factory. Think me couldn't catch you? You know what them call me? Agent Fat Heart, aka Breeze. One put me poop, you stink. Me I ask you one more time, brother. What is secret?
Secret? Which secret?
Oh, me if you know. Then no, that's why me I ask you. Where's the no boss? Me not get no more time, you know. Some fi do fat and done him. Yo, brother, you should know better. We no work alone.
Think me an idiot? If you want to kill me long time. let me see who this is. Help me.
Now you set my soul on fire.
How do you think it's gonna happen? Tell them about Uno. Imagine one simple order. How to work this up? First, you're not competition, give you enough to do. And you lose one agent, brother.
Please, boss man. Give you one more chance.
Me, I give Uno one more chance. Come out of my face. Brother, your days are numbered. Get me some DPH! Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one. And if you're new, please subscribe. Likkle Wizzies, new video every Friday.